Because of everything that I did to you, David.
Where's our son?
Safe. I just don't want to disclose his location until I'm absolutely sure that we're okay.
I don't know if this occurred to you, but aren't you with me now? So you're safe.
To an extent. David, you don't know these people. I mean, when they want something, they can get it. And they can get it from near or far. No matter how deep you are, they will find you. I am telling you this.
And I'm crushed potato.
I didn't say that, David. I know exactly who you are, and I know the amount of power that you have.
And sweetheart, it took you so long.
Right.
I've tried. God knows I've tried. I can't stop loving you. So pride doesn't come into it.
David, I was the one who hurt you. So how you feel or what you think has nothing to do with it.
There's something that's puzzling. If you need to be on the down low, concealed from public scrutiny, how does that fit with this elaborate place that you have started to put together?
That's a good question. So I just want to ensure that the business is up and running. I definitely have some other people running the business for me because, as you know, I am definitely on the road.
Hello? Yes, Raymond. I'm at lunch. We can talk about it later when I get back to the office. Did you speak to your high-ranking friend as you indicated you were going to? Okay. No. No more trips for now, Raymond. Okay, Master. Good. Little late.
One of your agents?
Let's just say that was a business call. But we are at lunch.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Man of many mysteries. Let me see if one of yours tastes just as good as mine. I see you're eating up, David. That's good. I like a man who knows how to eat.
So for my information, what exactly happens now? I mean, what's the plan? What is your objective? What is your end game?
David, what if I feel like I'm in some psychology class? Mr. Mullins? Okay, so after I finish my business, I will get an apartment, one that is more upscale and that will suit both me and you. You can move out of that full cover because it smells so bad, like literally you can really move out of it, Drew. And we can move in together and be a family all over again. And of course, our son will be home with us. And we can live happily ever after.
So So, are you the sole author of this fairy tale, or am I allowed to write some of it?